Okay, we can start. Okay, good morning everyone. We can start. Last day I think I have completed limits, basics of limits. Okay, good morning Adrish, can you hear me? Hello Adrish, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, these were the homework questions. Okay. Limit extends to pi by 2 plus. Okay, over here it will be minus infinity. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. It will be minus infinity. Limit extends to pi by 2 minus. It will be plus infinity. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt? Ridwan, you said to your homework. Yes. You sent to your homework. Sorry, I didn't check. Oh, sure. It got buried under your doubts. Let me see. Watch. Okay, anyways, you match. Okay, if you find any doubt, let me know. This one 4 by 3. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. 4 by 3. Next one is half. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. This one. Okay. Okay, so when you substitute x equal to 0, you can see it is 0 by 0 form, right? Okay, this is number 3. So over here, what you do is, over here, or what you can do is you can take tan x common. Tan x common, within brackets you will get 1 minus cos x upon x cube, right? Tell me. This tan x by x will become 1. 1 minus cos x by x square will become half. 1 into half is half. Done. Is it clear? Tell me, Sobhit. So you can convert to sin x, tan x to sin x by cos x also. From there you will get the same answer. Okay. 1 by 5. This is 1. Anyone having it? Part 2. So whenever you see root minus root, what comes into your head? Tell me. Square. Root minus. Rationalize. No? Ridhiman? You have to rationalize. What is the rationalizing factor, Ridhiman? Tell me. Numerator. What is the rationalizing factor of the numerator? Tell me. In the numerator there is an expression, right? Root minus root. What is the rationalizing? Root plus root. Right. Multiplying both the numerator and denominator. So this is method 1. Okay. There are 2 methods I will show you. X tends to 0, right? Okay. Okay, let's see whether the second method will work or not. Okay, I'll try by second method. I just I just check whether the second method will work or not. Okay, it might not work. Okay, let's see. So over here 1 plus x square minus root over 1 minus x plus x square. Okay. So over here limit x tends to 0. Okay, we are going to get so after rationalization it will become square minus square. Okay, so you will get 1 plus x square minus of 1 minus x plus x square. Tell me, are you getting? The whole thing is divided by x into root plus root. Tell me, are you getting the one? Next in the numerator, see 1 and 1 will get cancelled. Okay, minus minus plus x is 2x, right? And x square will get cancelled. Tell me, are you getting? Divided by x into root plus root. Okay, actually under the root what you have 1 plus x square and 1 minus x plus x square, right? After this you have to substitute x equal to. This is where the indeterminate form lies, right? Tell me, Ridhaman. This is where the indeterminate form lies. Can you understand? So this x and x will get cancelled. Right. Finally, what are you getting? Put x equal to 0. You will get 2 by 1 plus 1. That is 1. Tell me, is it clear, Ridhaman? Should I explain? Yes, when you substitute x equal to 0, this is 0. Okay, done. Method 2, let me try. Okay, I mean it might not work. Okay. Method 2. So in strategies to solve, I have taught you what is 1 plus x whole to the power n and what is 1 minus x whole to the power n. Do you remember? Yes or no? Don't remember?
Yes, sir.
So tell me what is 1 plus x whole to the power n? Hey, no one remembers. In online class, half of the people is sleeping.
Yes, sir.
Acha, yes, Adrish, tell me.
What is the question? Can you repeat?
I'm asking you, do you remember what is 1 plus x whole to the power n? I have done in the class.
Yes, sir. It is binomial
Yes.
expansion.
Tell me, what is 1 plus x whole to the power n?
Sir, it will be 1 plus x to the power n
1
plus.
plus n.
No. Nobody
It's
remembers.
1 to the power n plus
Sir,
1 to the power n minus
so
1.
x to the power n into plus x to the power n minus 1 into 1 to the power 1
No.
like that.
No. 1 plus nx
1 plus n.
plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into x square plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 3 factorial into x cube. Half of the people are sleeping. I really doubt that you people are solving questions at home or not. Huh? I don't know. Are you people solving questions
Yes,
at home?
I was.
Sure.
I sent you doubts last night as well.
So what happened? What? Traffic on Sunday morning. But they tell you to come inside. Tell me. You came inside, they tell you to come inside. Why late? I'm asking you something. Traffic. Okay, try to come early. And whenever you are getting late, okay, you always text me. That sir, I'll be late by 5-10 minutes. Is it clear? Okay. Anyways, 1 plus nx. I have discussed this in the class. Do you remember? How about the people are sleeping? You people solve questions at home, right?
Yes.
In the same copy or in a different copy? Different copy. Okay. Next Sunday, everyone will bring that copy. Is it clear? I want to see how many problems you have solved. Everyone will bring. Okay? Everyone will bring. Those who are coming offline. Okay, so you are solving problems at home, right? Whatever assignments I am giving you, bring that copy. Okay? I want to check how many problems you have solved. Okay? With the date you are solving or without date? Okay. Bring it. I want to see. In 1 week you won't be able to do 100 problems. At least there should be 100, more than 100 to 100 problems. Let's see. Okay. over here I have mentioned, right, in the last class, 1 plus x whole to the power n, and what is 1 minus x whole to the power n? 1 plus x whole to the power n is 1 plus, and I told you that I'll be proving this also when I discuss binomial theorem, not now. Remember this? So I'll try out by this method. Let's see if it works or not. It might not work. L-Hospital rules also you can use, but differentiating will take a lot of time. You can do it. It won't take much time, but little bit more time than what I did in rationalization. Okay, you can do it. It's doable. Because you have to rationalize only once. I mean, you have to differentiate only once. Okay. So 1 plus x whole to the power n. So I'm going to use this over here. Everyone pay attention. So what is the limit we have got? What happened? So should I punish him instead of me? Should have told him that I have an early morning class. You come early.
I told him.
He didn't listen.
He came late. I was about to get out at 9:30. I told him. I gave a 9.
Let's stand a little bit. Okay, wait for some. 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial to x square. Last day we have discussed this. Right, you remember this? Binomial theorem.
Yes.
So tell me what is 1 minus x whole to the power n? Okay, remember?
1 minus nx.
1 minus nx.
And then the rest will be same.
The rest will be same, sure.
No.
Tell me 2 more terms. Oh, tell me the positive, negative, something.
Maybe like plus minus.
Minus.
They ask you.
Minus.
Minus, no. Plus. So, instead of x, you just substitute minus x, you get the result. N minus 2 by 4, 2 factorial into x square, then minus, x2 will be negative, right?
Yes.
You were there in the online class,
Yes,
isn't it? You were studying or doing something else? No, sure. Eh? By your face, it seems like you're playing some game. No. Using phone? Yes.
I'm using for class.
Okay. Anyways, pay attention, everyone. So we have got
We
root
didn't
over.
use this Kelvin in any
Now I'm going to use it. Okay, let's see whether it works or not. Limit x tends to 0. I'll tell you why it won't work. If it does not work, I'll tell you why it won't work. Okay, limit x tends to 0. Okay, this is the expression, right?
We do the homework service.
Yes.
So the last answer will be not defined, right?
Last answer will be does not exist.
Yeah, does not exist.
Okay, so we have to write
LHL
limit
not
does not
equal to-
exist. Okay, since LHL is not equal to RHL, you wrote not defined, right? No solution. Right, limit does not exist.
I also
Okay, it's a standard statement used in limits. Okay.
I wrote for LHL not even knowledge.
Okay, this will give us limit x tends to 0. Root over 1 plus x square. I'll take x square common, right? So I'll get root over x square common over here. Okay, within brackets, what will I get?
Can we rationalize?
Yes, you can rationalize. First method was about rationalization only. Okay, I'm doing the second method. We'll get 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 by x square, whole thing, whole to the power half. Okay, minus, over here also root over x square common, 1 minus of 1 by x minus 1 by x square, whole to the power half. Tell me, are people getting? Or should I explain? Everyone understood? Samriddhi, is it clear? I have taken. Answer is half. Now answer is 1, right? What is the answer? 1. Divided by x. Right, tell me, everyone. Next. Now see, it is root over x square, I'll take common. Okay, what is square root of x square? Mod x. Right, mod x will be common. Okay, mod x will be common. Within brackets, what will I get? Acha, what is 1 plus x whole to the power n? 1 plus nx. Okay, everyone. So I'm going to write 1 plus nx over here. 1 plus half into 1 by x plus 1 by x square. Whole to the power. Achha, dot 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 dot. A lot of terms will be there. Okay. Achha, but don't apply this. Okay. This method will not work. Why I'm telling you? Because whenever x is there in the denominator, okay, the whole expression tends to infinity. Are you getting? It will not tend to 0. It will tend to infinity. So this method will not work. Are you getting? So leave this one. If it was limit extends to infinity, then we could have applied this method. Okay.
Everything will be 0.
Then the other terms will be 0, right? But the first few terms will be very important.
Also, can you explain?
Just give me 1 minute. I'm just checking one thing. Okay. Wait. I'm expanding it. Okay. Let's see whether I'll get something or not. Okay. Minus root over x square will be. Achha, this bracket is closed. I have written only the first two terms. Okay. Only the first two terms is important. Rest of the terms will not be that much important. So wait. 1 plus nx. Let us write one more term. One more term will be half into half minus 1 by 2 factorial into 1 by x plus 1 by x square whole square. Right, tell me. Dot 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 dot. Okay. Rest of the terms are not important. Okay, why it is not important? Because in the rest of the terms you will get the denominator as x. Right. Okay, next. Minus mod x. Leave this out. It will not work. Okay. Because again you will get 0 in the denominator. Okay, so it will tend to infinity. Okay, leave this out. Okay, so first method everyone understood, right? Tell me.
Sir, I had an issue with number 1.
With number 1.
Yeah, I did all of them.
Achha, last one, limit does not exist. Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. Limit does not exist. Okay. I'll discuss. Okay, sorry. 1 by 2. The first one, you send me your homework. The driver told you not to send.
I have to send in the upload class.
Huh?
I have to send in the upload class.
You send in the upload.
No, sir. I was about to come here only.
So what? So what? You didn't read the message that you have to send your homework.
I'm still
Doing online, giving offline also. What is the difference? Everyone has to send. The first one, what you have a doubt?
Yeah.
So limit extends to pi by 2 plus and pi by 2 minus, right? Okay, this is the graph of tan x, right? This is the line x equal to pi by 2. X equal to pi by 2 plus. In which branch will you like? This branch or this branch? Tell me.
The one in front.
This branch?
Yeah.
Pi by 2 plus. At pi by 2 plus, what is the corresponding value?
Minus infinity.
Minus infinity. Are you able to visualize this? Tell
No,
me.
I
Didn't understand. Again, see. You are at pi by 2 plus. What is the corresponding value in y? See, the graph is tending towards negative infinity, right?
yes.
Understood?
Yes.
Is it clear?
So for these types of questions, we have to visualize the graph.
Yes, pi by 2 minus positive infinity. Is it clear?
What if we don't know the graph?
pack your bags, go home. Okay.
Wait, why does
Without graphs, you cannot survive in JEE. Okay. At least in calculus.
So why does the pi by 2 minus go up?
Pi by 2 minus go upwards.
Yeah.
Because the graph is still continuous
Yes.
and function is still increasing. So where it will go? It will keep on increasing, reach infinity, right? It's pi by 2 minus. It is moving from the left hand side. From the left hand side, the function is increasing.
Oh.
So it will keep on increasing.
Yes,
So we can do it
yes.
another way also. Sin x by cos x. Sin x is 1. And so if cos x is 0, then we
1 by 0 minus. Yes, you're correct. 1 by 0 minus and 1 by 0 plus.
One will be negative infinity, one will be positive infinity.
But how will you understand which one is 0 minus, which one is 0 plus? I'm getting cos pi by 2 plus will be 0 negative or cos pi by 2 minus will be 0 negative? Tell me.
That was the graph.
No, not graph. Over there you have to use trigonometry. When you are taking cos pi by 2 plus, cos is lying in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos is positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. So 0 minus. Getting. Box function. What? Bar. Who told you?
He said no, he said this like 2.9 bar is 2.999 up to infinity. And 3 is 3. He says there is no number between 2.999 bar and 3. So the box, so 2.99 bar will be considered as 3 and the box function of 2.9 bar will be 3.
No. See, if you convert it and then you find out the box function, then it is 3. But without converting, the box function is 2. Understood? If you convert it, then the box function is 3.
He said that there is no number between 2.9 bar and 3.
So it is considered as 3. Wait, I'll give you the concrete explanation about this. Give me some time, okay?
So I saw someone explain that 2 plus 2 was 5 using the same thing.
Don't watch such videos, at least up to JEE. Okay. Don't mess up your mind with all these videos. The last day, what have we done? This was the last thing we had done. What is the last question? Tell me. Tan x upon tan 5x. Just check. The last question which we did was tan x upon tan 5x.
X cubed plus x squared minus 2 by x minus 1.
Oh, x cube plus x minus 2 divided by sine of x minus 1.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
This one is.
Okay. Question number 4. Sine of x minus 1, right?
Yeah.
Okay, question number 1. Did we do this problem or not? Tell me. Question number 1. Limit x tends to pi by 2. Tan x upon tan 5x. Okay, limit x tends to pi by 2. Tan x upon tan 5x. Shall we finish behind it? Balance point I'll find it. Done. So happy. Still in class 4. Do you bring your pencil box? No. No.
So I've seen them.
Okay, Adrish, check your answer again. Correct. Okay, I'm solving this one. Pay attention. 6 square, 5 6 square, 5x. Why are you differential? I'll tell you. Right? Then you will get stuck with 5 by 2. Right. Sec 5 by 2 is. Okay, Simon, right answer? Anish, check your answer again. Okay, let us start. Okay, over here, see, over here the angle is tending to pi by 2, right? Do you remember that in the standard form, the angle should tend to 0, right? Not pi by 2. What? No. Angle should tend to 0 instead of pi by 2. So over here, I am going to do one substitution. Okay, so that the angle tends to 0. I am going to take x equal to pi by 2 minus h. Okay, everyone. I am going to take x equal to pi by 2 minus h. So what are you getting? Limit x tends to 0, tan of pi by 2 minus h upon tan of 5 into pi by 2 minus h. Right, tell me. Are people getting? Yes or no? Because the angle is tending to pi by 2, right? Okay, in the standard forms, wherever we have discussed standard forms in the last day, okay, angle should tend to 0, right? The argument should tend to 0. So in order to make the argument tend to 0, I have used this substitution. Okay, let's see. When you substitute x equal to pi by 2 minus h, you can also substitute h is equal to pi by 2 minus x, same thing. You will get the same thing. So x equal to pi by 2 minus h, what will you get? You will get as x tends to pi by 2. If x is equal to pi by 2, what is the value of h? Tell me.
Pi by 2 minus.
If x is pi by 2, what is the value of h? 0. Now see the angle is tending to 0. Are you getting Anish and Adrish?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Wait, but you already got the h tends to 0.
And if x tends to
That is why after substitution I wrote na h tends to 0.
So you're doing h tends to 0, it equals 6. It tends to 5.
I want the angle to tend to 0. Okay, so that I can use standard forms. Until the angle tends to 0, I cannot use standard forms. Are you getting? So limit s tends to 0, tan of pi by 2 minus h divided by tan of 5 into pi by 2 minus h. What will you get? You will get limit s tends to 0. Tan pi by 2 minus h is cot h. Right, tell me everyone. Divided by tan of pi by 2 minus 5h. Okay, now I'll tell you the meaning of 5 pi by 2. 5 pi by 2. See, this is where the angle is acute, right? With respect to the positive x-axis, this is where the angle is acute. And wherever the angle is acute, all sine, tan, cos, all are positive, right? So this is pi by 2. This is 2 into pi by 2. This is 3 into pi by 2. This is 4 into pi by 2, that is 2 pi. Then 5 into pi by 2. 5 into pi by 2 minus h. You are coming back to the first quadrant. Right, tell me. 5 into pi by 2 minus h, you are coming back to the first quadrant. Yes or no? Again see. 1 into pi by 2. 2 into pi by 2. 3 into pi by 2. 4 into pi by 2. 5 into pi by 2 minus h. You are coming back to the first quadrant again. In the first quadrant again tan is positive. Right. So tan of 5 pi by 2 minus h is nothing but tan of pi by 2 minus h. Right. So again it will become cot 5h. So finally the expression will become limit h tends to 0 cot h upon cot 5h. Tell me, are you getting? Samriddhi, is it clear? No. Okay. I have got tan 5 pi by 2 minus h. I want to see where the angle is lying, whether the angle is acute or not. Understood? This is pi by 2. This is 2 into pi by 2. Got it? The whole thing is 4 pi. 4 into pi by 2, that's 2 pi. Then again, one more pi by 2. And then h minus h, na? So it's going in the anti-clockwise direction. So you are basically in the first quadrant once again. So once you are in the first quadrant, again tan will be positive. So it's like tan pi by 2 minus h only. So it will become cot 5h. So I've got cot h by cot 5h. Okay. Let us convert it into tan. This will become limit h tends to 0. Tan 5h by tan h. Now it is very safe to apply the standard form. Okay. This will become tan 5h by 5h multiplied by 5h divided by tan h. See, this will give us 1 multiplied by. This will also give us 1. See, h by tan h. This will also give us 1 and multiplied by 5. So 1 into 5 into 1 will give us 5. Then is it clear to everyone? Sandra, is it clear? So everyone understood? Rhythman, clear? So what? You are unable to see the board. Fine. Whenever I want to throw you outside, I can throw you outside. Anytime I want. Good idea. Next time I will keep you in front. Okay, anyways, everyone understood? Anyone having any doubt? No.
Yeah, I was just going to say that.
I'll tell you. Okay, properties of mod. Properties of mod.
This is a part of which chapter?
Okay, this chapter will be modulus and mod inequalities. Number 1. If I say mod of A is equal to mod of B, this implies A equal to plus minus B. Okay, everyone. If mod of A is equal to mod of B, A equal to plus minus B. Next, number 2. Mod A can also be written as mod of minus A. Okay. Mod A can be written as mod of minus A. Next, number 3. Mod of A minus B is equal to mod of B minus A. Next, number 4. Mod of A by B will be equal to mod of B by A. Mod of A by mod of B. Next. mod of AB is equal to mod of A into mod of B. Number 6, square root of A square will be equal to mod of A. Next, number 7, if mod of A is equal to mod of B, this implies A equal to plus.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, in property 6, if a the power is any even number, then also it will be mod A.
Power is
Any even number, like
any given
80
number.
or okay.
4, 4, 4.
So
Correct.
what happened? Oh yeah, because what happened to plus minus A?
Plus minus A. See, plus minus A is equal to plus minus B. You'll get the same result. Only to show, you'll get the same result.
No, for root over A square.
Root over?
For root over A square, it's plus minus A, right? So what happened to the minus? Oh, it's minus mod A.
Minus mod A.
Yes.
Understood? Tell me. You have a doubt? Tell me so which one?
The first one and this one is same.
So wait a minute.
The first property and the last property.
First property. Yes. So I wrote one property twice.
Yes,
No. I wrote the first property once again. Okay. Next. Same. Not only this one. Mod of A square. If somewhere it is written mod of A square, this is equal to mod of A square only. Okay. All these properties will help us in complex numbers. Okay. In complex numbers, there are application of these properties.
So when we do complex numbers, we will do next multiplication property.
Yes. Mod of A plus B is less than or equal to mod of A plus mod of B. Triangle inequality. Everyone knows sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Next, number 9. Mod of A minus B is greater than or equal to mod of A minus mod of B. The equality holds. This is very important. I have seen questions coming from this inequality. Okay, equality holds. Equality holds when the product AB is less than or equal to 0. Okay, if anyone needs the proof, let me know. I'll prove it. Should I prove this one? Tell you no. Can do it. No, but not required. Okay. Number 10. If mod of x minus a is less than c, this implies either x minus a is less than c or minus of x minus a is less than c, right? Either of the two things will happen. From the first one we have got x is less than a plus c. From the second one we'll get x minus a is greater than minus c.
You wrote x is less than a plus c.
What? So, have I written it something incorrect?
No, you said x is greater than a plus c.
Achha, x is less than. This implies x is greater than a minus c. So when you combining 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, x should be greater than a minus c, but less than a plus c. Tell me, is it clear to everyone? X should be greater than a minus c, but less than a plus c. Similarly, number 11, we have got mod of x minus a is greater than c. This implies x minus a is greater than c. See, sometimes directly I'll be using this inequality. Okay, if mod of x minus a is less than c, so x is lying between a minus c and a plus c. Okay, next, mod of x minus a is greater than c. This implies x minus a is greater than c, or minus of x minus a is greater than c. So from the first one we'll get x is greater than a plus c. From second one we have got x minus a is less than minus c. This implies x is less than a minus c. So from these two inequalities we'll get, this implies x belongs to minus infinity comma a minus c union a plus c comma infinity. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt? You can ask me. Shandip, is it clear? Akash? Riddhaman, is it clear? Swam? Chandri? Samriddhi, is it clear? Those who are online, have you understood? Adrish, Anish, Iman, Trishita,
Yes,
is
sir.
it clear?
Yes, sir.
Trishita? Okay. So let us do one problem. Question number 2. Find x if mod of x square plus 3x minus 4 is equal to mod of x square minus 1. Solve. The box of 2.9 bar will be 3 only. Okay.
Why?
Because that is a different decimal number system. Okay. That is a different number system. Okay. Each and every number, pay attention. Each and every number, real number, can be expressed in the form of recurring number. Okay. So that is a different number system. Like for example, 3 is equal to 2.9 bar. Okay. Not only 3, you can write 4 as 3.9 bar. Okay.
But
4,
you can
4.
write 3 as 3.0 bar.
Okay, so every number can be written as a recurring decimal number. Okay, so that is a different number system, recurring number system. Understood? Just like you have binary, hexadecimal, decimal numbers. You people have heard of this, right? In computers, you must have done this.
I took economics.
Shandip, you've done this. Binary, decimal, hexadecimal, octal. Well, I've done
Yes,
it.
sir. Yes.
That is a different number system. Okay. So box of 2.9 bar will be equal to box of 3 only. So it will be 3. Right? Yes.
Sir, these were in Python.
It's like estimation.
Exclamation.
Estimation.
Estimation. So converting from one number system to another number system. This one is done. Okay, let me solve. But there will be some more answers. Some more answers. Yeah, Anish, there will be some more answers. Anish also,
Okay,
there
sir.
will be some more answers. Oh, no, no, no. No, Anish, you are correct. No, Adrish, you are correct.
Okay,
Anish,
sir.
there will be some more answers. Of course, there will be 2 cases. 2 cases. Plus minus. Mod of something is equal to mod of something. So we start. Yes, correct. Slides. Also check the roots which you have got. Because It's mod. Now it is correct. Yvonne, your answer is correct. Okay.
And how are they getting two cases?
That's why I wrote the properties.
This one.
This one. First one, mod A equal to mod B.
So we can cancel x minus 1 by both sides.
Don't cancel anything. That means you are actually losing the opportunity, losing one of the extraneous root of the equation.
Like mod A equals mod A into mod B. By applying this, we can cancel x minus 1.
You are cancelling x minus 1. That means you are saying that x cannot be equal to 1. Are you saying that x cannot be equal to 1? X can be equal to 1. Are you getting? That's why never cancel. Okay, always take common. Should I start? Okay, let us start. Achha, x square plus 3x minus 1 we can factorize. Everyone? You people have done factorization in class 8. So mod of x plus 4 into x minus 1. Tell me, what will you get? Will you get mod of x plus 4 into x minus 1? Huh? One answer will be 1. This will be equal to mod of x plus 1 into x minus 1. Minus? Minus?
Minus 1.
No.
Minus 5.
Minus 5 by 2.
I also wrote minus 5.
So that's why I said right mistake. You wrote 3 solutions. Okay. These kind of questions generally come like find the number of solutions. Right? 3 it is wrong. Of this equation. See, after getting this, you know mod A equal to mod B. This implies x plus 4 into x minus 1 is equal to plus minus x plus 1 into x minus 1. Tell me, is it clear? So there will be 2 cases. Case 1, x plus 4 into x minus 1 will be equal to x plus 1 into x minus 1. This is one case. Right, tell me everyone, are you people getting? So over here, take x minus 1 common. When you take x minus 1 common, within brackets you are going to get x plus 4 minus of x minus 1. Right, tell me everyone, are you people getting? Samriti, I have taken the right hand side to the left hand side. Why? If you are cancelling it off, that means you are saying that x cannot be equal to 1. Can x not be equal to 1?
So
This
it
will be
is
equal
one
to
of
0.
the answers 5 by 2.
Minus 5.
Minus 5.
Oh yes, minus 5.
So from here we are getting x is equal to 1. Case 1 is x equal to 1. Right. Case 2.
There's 2 answers.
Case 2, x plus 4 into x minus 1. This will be equal to minus of x plus 1 into x minus 1. Taking it to the left hand side, we will get x minus 1 common, within brackets x plus 4 plus x minus 1. Right, this will be equal to 0. So from here x equal to 1 I have already taken. Okay, I will get, sorry, I am making a mistake I guess. Plus x plus 1. So it will become x minus 1 into 2x plus 5 equal to 0. So from here x equal to 1 and minus 5 by 2.
You already got 1.
Therefore x has to be equal to 1 comma minus 5 by 2. Okay. Now after this, your task is not done over here. You have to check whether it will satisfy or not. X equal to 1 will satisfy, that is okay. When you substitute x equal to 1, both sides are 0. Let us check with x equal to minus 5 by 2, okay? Checking with x equal to minus 5 by 2. LHS will be mod of minus 5 by 2 whole square plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 x square plus 3x minus 4. This will give us how much? Mod of minus 5 by 2 whole square is 25 by 4 minus, you are getting 21 by 4 minus 15 by 2 minus 4. This will give us how much? 21 by 4. People got 21 by 4. Next, let us see the right hand side. RHS is mod of minus 5 by 2 whole square minus 1, which will also give us 21 by 4. So hence this is the correct answer. So there will be two solutions. Therefore x should be equal to minus 1 comma minus 5 by 2.
We have to always recheck.
Yes, always recheck. Because it's mod, right? It may be there in the domain. I mean, it may give us a solution. It may not give us a solution because it has only two different definitions. Next, our next topic is differential calculus.
Nx to the power n minus 1.
Okay, let us understand what is the meaning of this. Okay, pay attention. It is very important. You people know what is slope?
Yes.
Slope is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, right?
So it is basically that.
Which is tan theta. Okay, pay attention. So I tell you the meaning of dy by dx. Okay, with the help of an example. Okay. So you have learnt average speed. Okay, in lower classes, in class. Average speed.
Yes.
Okay. So let us say a car is moving from one place to another place. At some point it will move at 30 kilometers per hour. After some time it will move at 50 kilometers per hour. Okay. After some time it will move at 70 kilometers per hour. Something like this. Okay. So you people find out the average speed between two places. Okay. Total distance covered divided by total time taken. Right. Okay. So what is average speed? This is the average speed. Average speed will be equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Right, tell me. Are people getting? Average speed is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1.
It would be
Huh?
speed and time. Y is speed and
Of course. The total distance. Actually, this is
this is only dy by dx. Right?
distance time graph.
Delta by
Okay,
delta y by
this is-
delta y.
This is, let us say, distance time graph. Pay attention. The initial concept is very much important to understand dy by dx. Okay, if you don't understand the initial concept properly, okay, then you are just using the formula. Okay, understanding is very much important. Okay, concept is everything. This is the distance time graph. Okay, average speed is average speed is total distance traveled divided by total time taken. Okay, see how I am going to relate it with dy by dx. Pay attention. So your graph might look somewhat like this. Okay, it keeps on, means your speed is increasing, right?
What math is this?
dy by dx. Okay, so this is your average speed. Okay, means I want to find out wait. I want to find out your speed. I want to find out your speed from this point to this point. Pay attention. I want to find out your speed from this point to this point. Okay. So what will I do? I'll find out the slope. Right. You must have done it in physics, right?
Yes, yes.
Find out the slope, you will get the average speed. Right. See, y2 minus y1 is equal to x2 minus x1. Okay. This is your average speed. Okay. Now this line this line is the secant, right? It is the secant to the curve, isn't it? This line is the secant to the curve. Next. Now, if you want to find out the average speed in a shorter interval, okay, currently this average speed is, let us say, in 3 hours. Okay, want to find out the average speed in a shorter interval. Okay, so let us say that this is the point. Okay, now this is the average speed. Okay,
So what is that point?
another point. I want to find out the average speed in a shorter interval. Okay, Adrish.
Okay.
I want to find out the speed in a, average speed in a shorter interval. So this is the average speed. This sign is, this line is still a secant, right or not? Tell me, everyone.
So the initial point is the same, but you change the final point.
Okay, so basically this is delta y by delta x. Okay, denoted generally by delta y by delta x.
Wait, what's the interval of the pink line?
Purple. What?
What's the interval of the purple line?
Interval, this one. This is the interval. I have reduced the interval. Okay. Again, see everyone. Again, keep on reducing the interval. This is still a secant. Right, tell me everyone. This is still a secant. This is the final point. Okay, let us bring final point very close. Okay. If the final point is somewhere over here, very close, the line will tend to become a tangent. If the final point is very close, the line will tend to become a tangent. Yes or no? It's very close. Means the interval is very small, smallest possible interval you can think of. Now, what is the practical application? Have you ever seen the speedometer? Right? No.
Yes.
In a car, speedometer, right? So in a speedometer, at every interval, the speed changes. In every millisecond, the speed changes. Right or not? So what is that called? Instantaneous speed. Are you getting? So the change in milliseconds is actually your instantaneous speed. Instantly you are finding out the speed. Okay. That is very small change in y with respect to very small change in x. That is what we call dy by dx. Are you getting? A very small change in y with respect to a very small change in x. So see, that very small change in y with respect to small change in x will actually represent the slope of the tangent at a particular point. See, the yellow line is actually the tangent to the curve. And if I want to find out, if I find out dy by dx, it will represent the slope of the straight line. Okay. Why it is important? Because it will give us the direction of the curve at every instant. At every instant, it will give us the direction of the curve. Right? If you're drawing the tangent at this point, this is the direction. Are you getting? If you're drawing the tangent at this point, this is the direction of the curve. If you're drawing the tangent at this point, this is the direction of the curve. At every point, the direction is changing. Are you people able to understand? At every point, at every instant, the direction is changing. Okay, that is why it is important. Okay. So what is instantaneous speed? Those who are online, are you people getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm going to write down the expression for instantaneous speed. Let's see, if y equal to f of x. Okay, let us say that this is the curve. Okay, this is the curve. This point is x2, y2. This point is x1, y1. Okay. So if y is equal to f of x, then let us say that the interval length is delta y. Okay. Sorry. This interval length is delta x. Achha, I'm drawing a different diagram, okay, to show it properly. Okay. Okay. So basically, we are finding out the tangent, slope of the tangent at a point. Let us say that this tangent, okay, this is the point, and I have taken a very small interval, okay, everyone, very small, smallest possible interval you can think of, okay. This is delta x. This is delta x, okay, everyone, and the corresponding y-axis on the corresponding wait on the, yes, that is the tangent. Corresponding will get y1 and y2. So this is delta y. Okay, everyone, this is delta y. So delta y means difference in y. Delta x means difference in x. So if y equal to f of x, then what is y plus delta y? Y plus delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x. Right or not? Tell me. Y plus delta, sorry, y plus delta y is actually f of x plus delta x. Right or not? Okay. Next, what is delta y then? This implies delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x. Okay, taking f of x to the right hand side. Y is f of x only. Next, what is delta y by delta x? Average speed. See, this is how we denote average speed. Delta y by delta x will be equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x upon delta x. Tell me, everyone. Okay, and what is dy by dx? Just now I have told you the meaning of dy by dx. Dy by dx is a very small change in y. Smallest possible change you can think of. A very small change. Ridhiman, you understood the meaning of dy by dx? Samriddhi, is it clear? Sanjay, Akash, Snadri, have you understood? In change in y with respect to a very small change in x. Change in x. So dy by dx will be equal to limit delta x tends to 0. Right? Means the difference, try to understand. The difference between the interval will tend to 0. Are you getting? It's very small, negligible. Smallest possible you can think of. Okay. This is what I mean by delta x tending to 0. Okay, smallest possible difference. See, this is where in this interval delta x is tending to 0, right? Then the difference between, that secant will actually tend to become a tangent, right or not? Are people getting? Secant will tend to become a tangent, and dy by dx will represent the slope of the tangent to the curve. Limit delta x tends to 0. F of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x. Right, tell me, everyone. This is the standard definition of dy by dx. Okay, everyone. Or you can say derivative by first principle. If you replace delta x by h, okay, you learn it in class 12. This is known as derivative by first principle. Okay, write it down. Derivative by first principle. Okay. So if y equal to f of x, then dy by dx is represented by y dash or dy or y1 or f dash x. All these representation means the same. Okay. Next, I'm going to write down the derivative of some functions. Okay. I'm not going to prove it now. Okay, I'll prove it later. Okay. I mean, when I discuss method of differentiation, I'll prove it over there. Okay. But all of them can be proved by derivative by first principle. Derivative by first by derivative of some standard functions. Derivative of some standard functions.
Show the power rule.
Huh?
Show the power rule.
Or every rule. Number one. dy dx of x to the power n will be equal to n dot x to the power n minus 1. Now again I am telling you, before writing all these standard forms, x is just a variable. X is just a variable. It's like using the formula speed, distance and time. If you are differentiating speed to the power n with respect to speed, it will be equal to n dot speed to the power n minus 1. Okay, use it just like a variable. Okay, this will help us understand. This will help us to understand chain rule also. Pay attention. We are differentiating x to the power n with respect to x. Try to understand. Over here, x is the variable. Is it clear? We are differentiating with respect to x. This is very important. Okay. Number 2. Where n belongs to real. Number 2. dy dx of a to the power x will be equal to a to the power x ln a. Where a is greater than 0. Next, number 3. dy dx of e to the power x will be equal to e to the power x only. It will never change. Number 4. dy dx of ln x will be equal to 1 by x. Number 5. dy dx of sin x will be equal to cos x. Number 6. dy dx of cos x will be equal to minus sin x. Number 7. dy dx of tan x will be equal to sec square x. Number 8. dy dx of cot x will be equal to minus cosec square x. Okay. Number 9. dy dx of cosec x will be equal to minus cosec x cot x. Okay, dy dx of sec x will be equal to sec x tan x. Number 11, dy dx of sin inverse x will be equal to 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Number 12, dy dx of cos inverse x will be equal to minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Number 13, dy dx of tan inverse x will be equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Number 14, dy dx of cot inverse x will be equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay. Number 15, dy dx of sec inverse x will be equal to 1 by mod of x into root over x square minus 1. And lastly, 16, dy dx of cosec inverse x will be equal to negative of what you have wrote for sin sec inverse root over x square minus 1. These are some standard results. Okay. So by looking at standard results, people can understand how much you need to practice from differentiation. Okay, then only this will be there in your head. Okay,
So can you show again the cos inverse?
cos inverse. Okay, Lexis, if you remember for sine inverse, you can write for cos inverse as well. If you remember for tan inverse, you can write for cot inverse. First, it was yes. Okay, should I start? Okay. Next, for example, see if you are asked to find out the equation of tangent. Find the equation of tangent. Find the equation of tangent to the curve y equals to x square at 3, 9. You want to find out the equation of tangent to the curve y equal to x square at 3, 9. Okay. So see, you have got point. In order to write down the equation of a straight line, what else you need? Slope. Right. Point is known. If you find out the slope at 3, 9, your problem is done. Right or not? So how will you do it? You will differentiate y equal to x square. dy by dx will be equal to 2x. Right, dy by dx will be equal to, see, you are differentiating with x only, okay, with respect to x. So it will be 2 into x to the power 2 minus 1, right, which is 2x. And what is dy by dx at 3, 9? It will be equal to 2 into 3, which is 6. You have to substitute x. So I've got the slope, I've got the point. You just need to write down the equation of tangent. Therefore, the equation of tangent is y minus 9 is equal to 6 into x minus 3. Tell me, are people getting? This implies y minus 9 is equal to 6x minus 18. So I'll get 6x minus y will be equal to 9. This is the equation of tangent. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. How will the diagram look like? The diagram will look somewhat like this. Those are online, is it clear? Tell me, Adrish, Anish,
Yes, sir.
Rishita,
Yes, sir.
Imon,
Yes, sir.
anyone having any doubt, you can ask me.
No, sir.
This is the graph of y equal to x square. Okay, and this is 0.35. So if you draw the tangent will look somewhat like this. Right? The tangent will look somewhat like this. So the slope of this tangent is equal to 6. Okay. So is it clear? Tell me, you have a doubt? Points of form. Equation of the straight line. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. For what n? So done it in coordinate geometry. Different forms of straight line. That was there, right, in boards.
Yeah.
Y minus coordinate geometry. Y minus y1 is equal to y minus straight line.
Yeah, it was in ICSC was there.
Which board are you from? USC. A council for Baligan or something. You another council. No. You studied, right, straight line. Tell me, there is another form of straight line. Any other form of straight line? Y got mx plus c. What is c known as? Huh? Constant.
No, it's a very
Variable. Achha. Did you?
We didn't do any sums,
Achha, sums are not there related to this.
Was there,
Oh, was there in ICSC?
I was dependent on this topic.
We didn't
Onko chilo. I don't remember. So, my God. You didn't do it, maybe others did it.
Skipped it.
Oh, you skipped it.
Image plus C we didn't do anything.
Y equal to mx plus c with respect to y equal to mx. You have to find out the y-intercept. Slope is there. Slope and y-intercept, you can write down the equation of the straight line.
You're terrible at something
And
nice.
there
We
were
did only those ax
y minus y1.
ax square plus bx plus c discriminant.
That is quadratic equation.
We did this one. We didn't use the particularly y equation.
I'm talking about coordinate geometry.
Yes.
In coordinate geometry, what are the topics you learned? Tell me in class 10.
We used midpoint theorem.
Correct. Then
And then,
section formula,
yes,
distance
yes,
formula,
yes, yes.
and
This part only.
straight lines.
No straight line. There was you can
He is saying and you are saying
you
no.
can see the book, sir. Seriously, there was no straight line. No sums of straight line. There was no.
You did it, Akash. You both are in same school.
There was
Sir,
no
did
test.
any question
no
came
test
from
paper.
straight lines
No.
in boards?
No.
No. Sorry.
So in addition or any book, there was no.
I'll check addition. I have addition over here. I'll check.
You can check. The means.
I'll check. I'll check. I'll check. I'll check.
Existential crisis.
I'll check. Next, chain rule. Or you can say differentiation of composite functions. Pay attention. See, if f of x equal to e to the power x, whenever you write f of x equal to e to the power x and g of x equal to x square, then f of g of x is equal to e to the power g of x. Right, tell me. Instead of x, you have to substitute g of x. And what is g of x? X square. So this is the composite function, composite of e to the power x and x square, e to the power x square. Similarly, can anyone tell me if f of x, similarly, if f of x equal to e to the power x and g of x equal to sin x, what is f of g of x? Raise your hand, tell me. What is f of g of x? Yes, somebody tell me. E to the power sin x, correct. Okay, you should understand what are composite functions. Okay, it is the composite of two functions. One is e to the power x, one is sin x. Okay, next. Now let us do the reverse. If f of x equal to sin cube x, tell me, it is the composite of two functions. Raise your hand, tell me. It's the composite of, yes, Niyadri?
It's sin x and sin x and 3.
Sin x and 3, how can, what is sin x and, you are correct, sin x and there is another, x cube, power is cube, na? If f of x equal to x cube, g of x equal to sin x, f of g of x equal to,
I entered as sin x whole cube, right?
yes. Is it clear? You should be able to understand composite functions to understand chain rule. Now see, if you differentiate dy dx of f of g of x, pay attention. I want to differentiate f of g of x, everyone pay attention, it's very important. So you cannot directly differentiate f of g of x. Why? Because f is a function in terms of g of x. And what is the denominator? Denominator is dx, means with respect to x. You cannot directly differentiate with respect to x. Pay attention. You cannot directly differentiate with respect to x.
Wait, why?
So what you have, huh?
Wait, why?
Because f is a function in g of x. F is not a function in x currently. Try to understand. Okay. F is a function in terms of x, but at first it is a function in g of x.
But G is a function. But G of x is a function of x.
Yes, g of x is a function of x. That I Agree? But f is a function in g of x before it is a function in x. Are you getting? Try to understand this. First of all, f is a function in g of x before it is a function in x. So you have to differentiate f of g of x with respect to gx first. Yes, gx in fact. Then you
Sir,
differentiate gx with wait. Let me complete. Then you differentiate gx with respect to x. How will it work? I am telling you. You people have done ratio proportion also. Was there? Right. So a by c, you must sometimes you have to manipulate it like this, right? A by b multiplied by b by c. Tell me. You have to manipulate it like this. It actually works like a chain, right? Not only this, you can write a by c as a by b multiplied by b by d multiplied by d by e multiplied by e by c. This is also fine, right or not? You can form chains as many times as you want according to your choice, right? So are you getting? So over here also you have to form a chain. How? Just like I told you, f of g of x is a function in g of x before it is a function in x. So first of all you differentiate. Wait, let me complete. First of all you differentiate f of g of x with respect to g of x. Okay? Then you multiply by d of g of x with respect to dx. Tell me, is it clear or not? See, it is like forming a chain. A by c is equal to a by b multiplied by b by c. Now see, this works. Are you people getting? Yes or no? So this is what chain rule is composed of. So is it clear? Anyone? Those are online. Adrish, you have a doubt? Tell me.
sir, why we are differentiating first f of x with respect to g of x?
No, we are not differentiating f of x. We are differentiating f of g of x. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
why are we differentiating with respect to g of x first? Because f of g of x is a function in g of x before it is a function in x. Right. So first of all, you have to
Okay, sir.
differentiate f of g of x with respect to g of x. Okay. Then you have to differentiate g of x with respect to x. Okay, using chain. It's forming a chain. Ultimately, you are differentiating. Pay attention, everyone. Ultimately, you are differentiating f of g of x with respect to x only. Okay. Ultimately, you are differentiating f of g of x with respect to x only. But over here, since you cannot directly differentiate f of g of x, you have to first of all differentiate f of g of x with respect to g of x, then g of x with respect to x. How do people able to understand? I'll give you some examples. Tell you, Samriddhi, is it clear? For example, f of x equal to e to the power x square. Now see, whenever you see e to the power x square is not a standard form. What is the standard form? Standard form is e to the power x. It's the composite of two functions, e to the power x and x square. Right. So first of all, you differentiate e to the power x square with respect to x square multiplied by f dash x. Then differentiate x square with respect to x. Why? Because e to the power x square is a function in x square first. Okay, see the standard form. We don't know the differentiation of e to the power x square directly. We know the differentiation of e to the power x. See, we know the differentiation of e to the power x. We don't know the differentiation of e to the power x square. So first of all, you have to differentiate with respect to x square, and then you differentiate x square with respect to x. This is what chain rule is all about. Now, what is d by d e to the power x square by dx square? E to the power x square only. Right, tell me. Standard form. Okay. Multiplied by d by dx of x square is 2x. So it will become 2x e to the power x square. Tell me, anyone having it out? You can ask me. Tell me, Akash is clear. Understood? Vidhuman, understood? Yes. So, Adrish, Anish, Trishita, are people getting?
Yes, sir.
I'll show you another example. This is example number 1. Example number 2. So just now I have shown e to the power sin x, right? If f of x equal to e to the power sin x, I want to differentiate. So first of all, I need to differentiate with respect to d e to the power sin x. We don't know the differentiation of e to the power sin x directly, but we know the differentiation of e to the power x, exponential form. So first of all, we need to differentiate with respect to sin x, and then differentiate sin x with respect to x. Right. So this will become e to the power sin x into cos x. Tell me, are people getting? Yes or no? I'll give another example. This one you people identify. Sin x whole cube. Raise your hand. Or sin x, sin cube x. Raise your hand. D by with respect to what we should differentiate first. Yes, Shandev. No. What do we need to differentiate? You tell me what we need to differentiate it with first.
So x cube.
X cube. Right. Because see, in the oh wait, no, not it will not be x cube. Because in the numerator it is not a function of x. It's a function of sin x. Try to understand. Sin cube x. Think properly. It's a function in sin cube x. It's a function of sin x first.
Sin square x.
It will be sin x. And then you differentiate sin x with respect to. Tell me, are people getting? If you didn't understand, you ask, I'll explain.
So sin x has more. Wait, could you explain that?
Sir, 3 cos x plus sin square x.
No. Again, pay attention, everyone. Pay attention. D sin cube x, okay? Divided by dx. I want to differentiate. Okay? Now it is an exponential function in sin cube x. Right. If you look at it very clearly, it is a composite function of f of x equal to x cube and g of x equal to sin x. Right, it's a composite function of this one. Then f of g of x will become sin cube x. Right, tell me everyone, are people able to understand? Okay. Now, do we know the differentiation of sin cube x directly? What are the standard forms we know? We know these standard forms, right? We know the differentiation of sin x, but not sin cube x. So for sin cube x, first of all, you have to use this exponential form, because in this exponential form only, you have got the differentiation of x to power n, right? So sin cube x also, you differentiate with respect to sin x, right? Tell me everyone. Sin cube x also, first of all, you reduce the power, you remove the power, you differentiate it with respect to sin x. So what do we get? D sin cube x divided by d sin x multiplied by d sin x divided by, now you differentiate sin x with respect to x. Tell me, is it clear or not? Okay, now see, now sin x is a standard function. You have to convert it into a standard function, right? Tell me, Samriddhi, is it clear? Ridhiman? Those are online, Adrish, Anish, Krishita, Imon.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Anyone who couldn't understand,
Yes, sir.
Adrish, is it clear now? Okay. So this will become 3 sin square x into cos x. Right, tell me. Are people getting? 3 into n into x to power n minus 1. So 3 into x to power 3 minus
Think
1.
it as x.
Huh?
When we are doing this one, we think that sin cube x is x.
X, exactly.
X cube or cube.
X cube, exactly. So dx cube. You understand it like this. It's nothing but f of x equal to theta cube. Okay. Theta cube, first of all, you have to differentiate it with respect to theta. Then you have to differentiate theta with respect to x. Tell me, are people getting? It's given something as theta cube. Anyone having any doubt? Tell me.
1 minus
Next. Acha, let us take a tougher one. A little bit advanced than this. Number
So is it tough?
oh, wait for some time. You think this is tough? E to the power tan of sine of x square. Okay, everyone. So we don't know the differentiation of e to the power tan of sine of x square directly, right? But we know the differentiation of e to the power theta. Think of it like, think of this function as e to the power theta. So first of all, you need to differentiate e to the power theta with respect to theta. Right? Tell me, everyone. Pay attention very carefully. dy dx will be equal to e to the power tan of sine of x square with respect to theta. That is tan of sine of x square. Right. Now see, it is written as tan theta. Right. It is written as tan theta. We know the differentiation of tan theta. So tan theta with respect to theta will differentiate. Multiplied by. Achha, this is d tan of sine of x square divided by d sine x square. Now see, there is a difference between sine square x and sine x square. Sine square x means whole square. Sine x square means only the argument is squared.
So it's d sine x squared
Divided by?
d sine x.
No. Now it is a function in sine only. It's sine x
X
square,
square.
not sine square x. So dx square. Are you getting? D sine theta divided by d theta.
X is square.
Yes. Multiplied by dx square divided by dx. See, so many. Are people getting or not? If you didn't understand, you ask, I'll explain again. So Snehandri, sine cube x is actually a function in sine x first. Sine x square is a function in sine x first.
No, sine x squared is a function of x squared.
Yes, sine x square is a function in x.
So is that one the sine is cubed and this one the x
X
squared?
X square.
Very good.
Yes, very good. So this will become
E10
okay. E to the power tan of sine of x square
into 6.
multiplied by sec square sine of x square multiplied by cos of x square multiplied by 2x. This is the result. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask.
Does this have a value?
Value they won't ask. Okay, they might ask find dy by dx at x equal to pi by 2 or something. Okay.
So this step you did with the identities.
Huh?
The last step you did with the identities.
Last step.
How do you get the last step?
This one, all these are standard forms, na? D e to the power theta with respect to d theta. Right. So d e to the power theta with respect to theta, it will become e to the power theta only. Multiplied by d tan theta with respect to d theta, it will become sec square theta. D sine of x square, this will become cos of x square with respect to x square. Yes, all the identities. Basically, see, whenever you are using chain rule, you have to always convert it into standard forms. Okay, and then you have to apply. If you see that after converting it, after using chain rule, it is not converted into standard forms. That means you are doing some mistake. You have to go otherwise. Understood? Always convert it into standard forms and then differentiate. Tell me, those are online, are people getting?
Sir,
Yes,
Yes.
Adrish.
sir, I have a question from the previous part. That sir, in differentiation of x to the power n, sir, x is can be a function, right? It is only a variable.
Of course, over here, whatever I have written for x as a variable over here.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. For function, we have to use the chain rule.
Next, another thing. D by dx of a constant function is equal to 0.
Oh,
Right. Why? Because y equal to constant is this straight line. Wherever you draw a tangent, it will be parallel to x-axis. So dy by dx of a constant function is 0. Next, number
like 8, 9, 8.
Y equal to 8, y equal to 9, all this. dy dx of k into f of x. K will come outside. It will become k into dy dx of f of x. Okay, everyone. K will come outside.
K is a constant.
K is a constant. Number 2. dy dx of f plus minus g whole x. This will be equal to dy
We use
dx
the
of.
first identity, we can think maybe the cos x, dy dx of cos x, I think we use that.
Where did you use?
No, like if you prove it,
What?
dy dx of cos x, I think we use the first one. Because we, either in cos x or sin x, we get 2 or something. So
Which one? Did we use it today?
no, I was talking about in the proof, because you just wrote the
Proof? I haven't proved anything
Yeah,
yet.
that's what I was saying. In one of the proofs that we have to use that.
dy dx of f of x plus minus g of x. Okay. Actually, dy dx of f of x plus dy dx of g of x. Okay, everyone. You can differentiate them separately and then add, subtract. So let us do some problems. Try this out. Question number 3, right? Find dy dx of number 1, e to the power root over x. Number 2, pi to the power x. Number 3, x to the power pi. Number 4, e to the power cos x. Solve. Once you have done it, just raise your hand.
First one.
Solve all of them. And then add.
Sir, here pi will be a constant.
Of course, pi is a constant. Today you can check out the formulas and solve the problem. Okay? I give it today only. Try it out. Done all of them. Sure. You are making a mistake in the first one. Differentiating, you have done a mistake in writing the answer. You get the second one, check the third one, fourth one is correct. Timon, all your answers are correct. First one is correct. Second one you have done a slight mistake. Third one is correct. Check the fourth one. Check.
Can you show the formulas again?
Doing right.
Can I answer the first one? No, second one.
Avoid this. Understood? Wait, I'm checking. First one now.
So you check my first one.
Just give me one. Anish. Anish, first one is correct. Anish, check the second one. Anish, third one is correct. Fourth one is also correct. Adrish,
Okay, sir.
Adrish, first one is correct. Check the second one. Third one and fourth one is correct. Ishita, first one is correct. Second one is correct. Fourth one is correct. Second one is correct. Check.
Okay, I did three others.
Second one is correct. Wait, no. Second one. Hard one is first time. First one. Second one is fourth one is correct. The first one. Why did we differentiate with respect to equality? We will go root or x, so differentiate with respect to root or x, so it will be standard form. Convert it into standard form. Okay, let us start.
Is
Okay, pay attention. E to the power root or x. So we have to convert it into standard form. Akash, is it done? Let's say d by dx of e to the power root over x. So e to the power root over x, we need to differentiate with respect to root x first to convert it into standard form, because we know the differentiation of e to the power x, not e to the power root over x, right? Gentlemen, are you getting? So let us differentiate. It will become d e to the power root over x divided by d root over x, d e to the power theta divided by d theta multiplied by d root over x. Root over x is x to the power half divided by dx. So this will become e to the power root over x multiplied by x power half will become half into x power half minus 1, which will become e to the power root over x multiplied by half x power minus half. X power minus half means 1 by root over x. So e to the power root over x divided by 2 root over x. Tell me, is it clear? If you didn't understand, you ask me, I'll explain. Next, second one, pi to the power x. Okay? Akash, is it clear? Ridhuman? Samriddhi, is it clear? Second one, pay attention. dy dx of pi to the power x. Okay, everyone, dy dx of pi, it's like a constant to the power x. So it's the standard form, pay attention. We have done this. What is d by dx of a to the power x? A to the power x, ln a. Right. So it will become pi to the power x ln pi. Right, tell me everyone. Next, number 3. d by dx of x to the power pi. So it's like second part, ln x. 8 d by dx of pi to the power x is equal to pi to the power x ln pi. Done. Wherever it is a, replace it by pi. Next, d by dx of x to the power pi. d d by dx of x power pi will be, okay, d by d, no need span.
No.
Alright.
I wanted to tell you to turn it off.
Why didn't you?
Because everyone else is.
d by dx of x to the power pi will be equal to pi x to the power pi minus 1. Right, tell me. Are people getting? D by dx of x to the power pi will be equal to pi x to the power pi minus 1. N dot x to the power n minus 1. Next. Number 4. E to the power cos x. Akash, Riddhiman, are people getting? D by dx of e to the power cos x means e to the power theta. E to the power theta, first of all, you have to differentiate with respect to theta. So this will become d by d theta of e to the power theta. Okay, then you have to differentiate cos x with respect to x. Okay, so d by dx d by d theta of e to the power theta, that will become e to the power theta only. And what is d by dx of cos x? Minus sin x. Done. So finally you are going to get minus e to the power cos x into sin x. Tell me, is it clear to
When we
everyone?
differentiate e to the power something by the power, it's always the same.
Yes, d by dx of e to the power x is e to the power x only. Okay. Next we have something called product rule. We have just discussed summation and difference rule. Then there is product rule.
These were the summation and difference rules.
Plus minus, we have done it. F of x plus minus g
Oh,
of x.
okay, yes.
If u of x and v of x are two functions of x, then d by dx of uv will be equal to uv dash plus vu dash. Okay, that is u dv by dx plus v du by dx. Tell me, are people getting? U dv by dx plus v du by dx. Then next we have quotient rule. So what is quotient rule? Pay attention. D by dx of u by v. D by dx of u by v will be equal to v du by dx minus u dv by dx divided by v square. Okay. Like for example, if you differentiate d by dx of sin x into ln x. Okay. So this will become sin x into d by dx of ln x plus ln x into d by dx of sin x. This will become sin x by x plus ln x into cos x. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, d by dx of uv will be equal to uv dash plus vu dash. That is u dv by dx plus v du by dx. Tell me, anyone having any doubt? So let us do some problems. Akash, is it clear up to this much? Question number 4 it is. 4 or 5? 4. Find dy by dx of number 1 x e to the power x. Number 2
X e to the power x.
yes, x square ln x. Number 3 x by x square plus 1. Solve.
First one done.
Solve all 3. Show.
What's dx by dx?
What? Dx by dx? 1 only. You are differentiating x with respect to.
So in the third one, we can use the division rule.
The third one? Right. What division? You want to divide x by x square plus 1.
Yes.
Can't you see that the degree in the numerator is 1 and the degree in the denominator is 2?
Yes.
How can you divide?
So we have to use the quotient rule, right?
Of course, quotient rule. Second one, you are making a mistake. Third one, I think it is correct. Let me see. Second one, you are making a mistake.
Check the first two.
Wait. 1 and 3 is correct. I make a mistake. Check number 1. Number 2, there is only one term.
No. No, I put it in.
What is the final answer?
It is x squared into 1 by x or x.
Oh, it's so
And that is the final answer.
the final answer.
It is 1x into 1 by x.
No, I don't think so. This is the correct answer. You must check that again. First two are correct. Last one you have done something.
First one is correct.
Sir, can you check my answers?
Why did you write X?
What is x squared?
No.
So 2 ln x equals 7x squared.
And then X square I wrote.
Sir, can you check?
No.
Before you wrote, why did you wrote X square?
Yeah, 2 ln x is like you can take the power.
Then it should be ln square. No?
Like ln x squared.
Couldn't
There's 2
understand.
log x.
Mm-hmm.
That is log of x squared.
Oh. Achha, I understand. So before you did write 2 over here, you put 2 over here. Achha.
So the first answer is
Didn't come into my
right.
head.
So the first answer is right.
There is was correct before also.
So the first
That
answer is
point
right.
also. No.
So first one.
And next, this should be multiplied to 2, right? Multiplied, no? There is a multiplication in between, isn't it?
So ln 2x squared.
Check the first one. No, this ln x is separate and 2x is separate, isn't it?
Yeah.
Or it is coming inside ln. Alright.
No.
So write 2x in front.
Okay, wait.
So
But,
second one is what?
so which ones are wrong?
First one is not correct. Third one is also not correct. 2x you should write in front. No? Otherwise it's looking like this inside ln.
Sir,
Over here I have written multiplication.
Yes.
I'll check it out.
that means
X square and x square will become minus x square. X square minus 2x square, simplify this.
Sir, can you check my first question?
First one is correct.
Sure.
Why dy dx of ln x will become ln x only? What is dy dx of ln x? This is the second one. Second one is correct. 2x. Oh.
Sir,
Yes,
sir,
right
sir,
in front. Yes,
Sir.
yes.
Is the first one correct now?
Now it's correct.
Sir. Would this be
Yes. Yes.
Would this be x squared?
No.
It will be x squared. Why?
Yes. Akash is done. No, what happened, Akash?
Sir,
I'm not getting this.
Like I need to practice at home.
You are not getting. Let me know. I'll explain. Tell me which part will do
Like
that.
I am getting it, but then I cannot apply it in the
Sir.
Why, what is the problem? You know that there is product rule. X is u, e to the power x is v. Until unless you try it by yourself, you won't understand. No? X will be cancelled.
Okay, I got it.
Why you can 2x and x? Achha, from here. Then this one is okay. But over here it is 1 by x. Why did you differentiate x square also? X square is not under differentiation. Na? First one is correct.
Second one I will do
X square. You are proceeding correctly. Proceed, complete, you will get the solution. Iman, third one can be further simplified.
Oh, yes, sir.
Others are correct.
Sir, the numerator or also the denominator.
Only the numerator. Okay,
Yes.
Anish, all your answers are correct.
And you see, you can get help.
Okay.
So
Proceed
you
like
check
this.
this.
What? What have you done? X plus 1 by x?
I divide the whole by x square. Then I'm getting 1 by x plus 1 by x. You get
In the denominator.
Yes.
Proceed.
Sir.
Then
Can you
proceed
check
like-
the last one?
No, check that again. I've got a different form.
So, is okay. Wait.
Here is my second one.
Wait, I'm checking. Adrish, check the second one. First one and the third one is correct.
He said copied the wrong question.
Tishita, first one is correct. Tishita, third one is correct. Yes. Wait a minute. It's correct. Okay, I'm solving everyone. Pay attention. Okay. I've got x into e to the power x. Okay, let us start. Number 1. We've got dy dx of x e to the power x. Okay. So x is u, e to the power x is v. Okay, this will become x into dy dx of e to the power x plus e to the power x dy dx of x. So see, first one will become x e to the power x plus e to the power x. So take e to the power x common, you will get x plus 1. Done. Tell me, is it clear? Number 2. Dy dx of x square into ln x. This will become x square into dy dx of ln x plus ln x into dy dx of x square. Tell me, are people getting? The first one will become x square by x plus ln x into 2x. So 2x ln x. Right. Tell me, Samriddhi, are you getting? Samriddhi, Ridhaman, are people getting? Tell me, you have a doubt, Samriddhi? No. Okay. This will become x plus 2x ln x. And Tishita, is it clear? Akash? Part 3. You need to understand which one is u, which one is v. dy dx of x by x square plus 1. Pay attention. Okay. So see, the numerator is u, denominator is v. So it's like u by v rule. Okay, it will become v, that is x square plus 1 into dy dx of x minus x into dy dx of x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 1 whole square. Tell me, is it clear? Let us simplify. This will become dy dx of x is 1, so it will become x square plus 1 minus x into dy dx of x square is 2x, isn't it?
Yeah.
And dy dx of 1 is 0, so 1. Tell me, is it clear, Samriddhi? If there's anyone having any doubt, you can ask me, I'll explain. Okay, this will become x square plus 1 minus 2x square upon x square plus 1 whole square. So x square minus 2x square will become minus x square. So 1 minus x square, right? 1 minus x square upon x square plus 1 whole square. Done. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, last set of problems. Try it out. Question number 5. Find dy by dx of number 1 cos square x, number 2 x cube minus 3 to the power x, number 3 sin 3x, number 4 tan of tan inverse x. Okay, once you solve all, then only show. Okay, solve all of them. Once you have solved all, let me know.
So this isn't like related to these questions, but you did the differentiation of sine cube x. So you did d sine cube x by d sine x, and then we got 3 sine square x. So
How did we get this, right? D theta cube divided by d theta. It will become 3 theta to the power 3 minus 1.
oh,
Done all of that. Okay, part 4 you have to check. Part 3 is correct. Part 2 is correct. Part 1 is also correct. All are correct. Oh, no, part last one is also correct. One correct. Don't do parallel work. First two. Solve. I'll come.
Yes, and
So done? Yes. Sure. Check it again. Show the second one is correct. Third one it is sine 3x. It's not sine qx. So the fourth one is not correct. Actually, fourth one is correct only, but you have to further simplify. Okay, but you currently have not done that kind of simplification. Okay, I'll discuss, then we will be able to solve it. Check the fourth one. Check the third one as well. Second one is correct. First one is also correct. Yes, anyone else? Okay, let's start. Huh?
What is wrong?
Which one? Oh, fourth one is wrong.
So
Tan inverse x is not, it does not mean tan to the power minus 1x. It's tan inverse half tan x. I have done the definition of tan inverse x. No? First one is correct. Second one is correct. Third one is.
So third one and
First one, what is the first one? This one?
this one.
Very difficult.
Oh.
Is dividing some cos square x, right? So when you differentiate cos square x with respect to cos x, what will you get? D theta square divided by d theta. Dx square divided by dx. No? I'm getting compare it to dx square by dx. Okay, and what I always do?
3 and
4. Let me solve it. So,
what is D3? 3 theta.
see, actually, this is correct, but the problem is you don't know how to simplify it. So I'll simplify. Wait for some time.
Sir, no. So, first,
The third one is not correct. First one. How are we getting x? Okay, let me see those who have solved online. Yes, Imon, all your answers are correct. Anish, first one is correct. Anish, second one is also correct. Third one is correct. Fourth one is also correct, but actually it can be simplified. I will tell you how to simplify. Currently, I have not done that kind of simplification. Second one is correct.
Okay.
Adrish, first one is also correct. Third one is also correct. Fourth one is also correct. But again, fourth one can be simplified. I'll simplify it. Tishita, first one is correct. Second one is correct. Okay, let's start. Okay, I'm solving it. Fourth one is correct, but it can be further simplified. I told you. Achha, you are talking about the first one? No. First one is dy dx of cos square x. So we need to differentiate cos square x with respect to cos x. Right. So dy dx of cos square x. Okay. So first of all, we need to differentiate cos square x with respect to cos x. Right. Everyone. Then d cos x divided by dx. Now see, it is actually d theta square with respect to d theta, right? With respect to theta. So what will it become? 2 into theta to the power 2 minus 1. Right, tell me, Ridhaman, Akash. So it will become 2 cos x. And what is d by dx of cos x? Minus sin x, done. Okay, so this will become minus 2 sin x cos x. And what is minus 2 sin x cos x? That is minus cos 2x, sin 2x. Right, there is a formula. Sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta, if you remember. Those who have done trigo last year. Next, part 2. Part 2 is x cube minus 3 to the power x. Okay, d by dx of x cube minus 3 to the power x. This will become d by dx of x cube minus d by dx of 3 to the power x. Okay, this will become 3x square minus, what is d by dx of 3 to the power x? It will become 3 to the power x ln 3. Done. This will be the result. Next, number 3. Number 3 is d by dx of, what is this?
Sin 3x.
Sin 3x. So see, we know the differentiation of sin theta, but not sin 3 theta, right? So first of all, we differentiate sin 3x with respect to 3x, right? So now see, it is d sin theta divided by d theta, and then you differentiate 3x upon dx. So d sin 3 theta will become cos 3x multiplied by d 3x. 3 will come outside. Do you remember constant multiple rule? 3 will come outside. Dx by dx will become 1. So it will be just 3. So it will be 3 cos 3x. Tell me, is it clear to everyone? Anyone having
How
any
did we
doubt?
get cos 3x?
Cos 3x. D sin theta upon d theta. Right. So it will become cos theta, na? That is
Yes.
cos 3x.
Okay.
Tell me, Samriddhi, is it clear? Ridhiman?
Yes.
Okay. Fourth part. Tishita, are you getting? Fourth part, you see, you have got tan of tan inverse x. Tan of tan inverse x is nothing but x. Right, tell me. Tan of tan inverse x is equal to x. Acha.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
So dy by dx will become dx by dx. That is 1. Done. Tell me, anyone having any doubt till now? Okay. Part 5 and part 6, okay? Let's solve. Part 5.
So can you explain what's this part?
No, tan of tan inverse x is equal to x.
Okay, explain in the form.
How it is coming tan of tan inverse x is equal to x? Pay attention. So let us say y is equal to tan inverse x. Okay? Then tan y will be equal to,
X.
wait, how will you understand over here? Wait. What is the meaning of tan wait.
Tan inverse means
Wait. If y equal to tan x,
x is equal to tan theta. Then we use.
if y equal to tan x, then x equal to tan inverse y, right? Tell me. X equal to tan inverse y. That's the meaning of x equal to. Okay. Let us take
We
theta.
change the-
Let us take theta. Wait. Let us take theta. Okay. Then theta is equal to tan inverse. Okay, let us take x equal to tan theta. Okay. Then theta is equal to tan inverse x. Understood? So what have we got? We have got y equal to tan theta. Right. Then theta is equal to tan inverse y. And what is theta? Theta is equal to tan inverse x. So tan inverse x equal to tan inverse y. What is the value of y? Y is equal to x. Done. Tell me, is it clear? Yes or no? If you have any doubt, you ask. I'll explain again. Tell me. So tell me. I have taken theta is equal to tan inverse x. So y equal to tan theta. Right. That is the function.
This way only.
This y only. Y equal to tan theta. I haven't. Okay. If y equal to tan theta, then theta is equal to tan inverse.
Why is it tan theta?
If theta is equal to tan inverse x, then wait a minute. Wait. Follow from here, okay? Y equal to tan theta,
Yes.
then theta will be equal to tan inverse y.
So, no, not those two steps.
No, don't follow those two steps, okay? Wait. I have taken x equal to tan theta,
Yes.
okay? Wait. Follow from here, okay? Y equal to tan theta, okay? Then theta is equal to tan inverse y, okay? What is theta? Theta is tan inverse x. Right, I have taken y equal to tan theta, na? So this is theta.
I see.
Right. So theta is equal to tan inverse y. What is theta? Theta is equal to tan inverse x. Tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse y. Right. If tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse y, x is equal to y. Tell me, the one is it clear? Remember, tan of tan inverse x is equal to x, sin of sin inverse x is equal to x, cos of cos inverse x will be equal to x,
You're
cosec of cosec
taking
inverse
theta
x.
from the question.
Yes, I have taken theta is equal to tan inverse x. Okay.
Value will be x only. So
Value will be
x. We are differentiating
y.
x.
Ultimately, we'll get y cot x. Is it clear or not? Tell me. Okay. Part 5. Part 5. Sine inverse x square. And part 6. E to the power ln cot inverse x. Solve. Part 5 sine inverse x square. Part 6 e to the power ln cot inverse x. So, also 5 is correct. 6. This one. So this one is further simplified. Again, this is further simplified. First one is correct.
Simplify this one.
But let's see. This can be further simplified. This one. Correct. Correct. Wait, you are done mistake over here. Here. Function. So,
Second one can you simplify?
currently, I don't think so. If people know the simplification of inverse trigonometric functions. There's another form.
Oh, what can you see? Sir, we have to simplify your cot, sir. We have to simplify the cot here.
No, cot and everything won't
So
be
can
there.
you check the first one?
Okay, Adrish, part 5 is correct, but part 6 can be further simplified. Okay, wait, I'll simplify it.
So can you check the first one?
Okay, sir.
No, sine inverse x square is not 1 upon sine x square. Try to understand. Sine inverse means arc sine x square, inverse of sine x. It's not 1 by sine x, reciprocal of sine x. There's a difference between inverse of sine x and reciprocal of sine x.
So after simplifying this will come. Simplify.
So let me solve. Okay, it was ln. What we have part 5 sine inverse x square. Okay, Vidwan, you are getting everything right, or if you are not getting, let me know. It's sine inverse theta. So first of all, we need to differentiate with respect to theta.
Sir,
Tell me, Imon. Sine inverse x square. Okay, everyone. This is part 5. So, what is dy by dx? Dy by dx will be equal to d by dx square. You have to differentiate with respect to theta. Then dx square by dx. Okay, everyone. D sine inverse x square will become 1 by root over 1 minus x square whole square. Okay, multiplied by what is d by dx of x square? 2x. So it will become 2x upon root over 1 minus x to the power 4. Tell me, is it clear to everyone? So, Samriddhi, is it clear? Tell me. Akash? Trishita, is it clear?
Yes.
Imon, your answers are correct. Okay. Number 6, last one. Okay, everyone. So what is e to the power ln x? E to the power ln x is x only. Right, tell me, everyone. So y equal to e to the power ln cot inverse. What it was? X. Okay, e to the power ln cot inverse x. Can I write it as just cot inverse x? Tell me.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This implies dy by dx will be equal to e to the power ln x will be equal to just x, na?
Log.
Log. Forgotten properties of
Base.
log.
Base
Yes,
on
fundamental log identity, right? Everyone remembers? Okay. So dy by dx will be equal to just minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Done.
Yes.
Is it clear? So?
It was coming. I didn't just convert the log.
Yes. Trishita, is it clear this one? Sanjay? Everyone understood? Samriddhi?
So once you get how to do it, it's very easy.
Actually, it needs a lot of practice. Okay. I have sent one book, Baron's calculus. So,
Yes, it is not opening. Yeah.
not
Sir,
available.
it is not opening. Can you please resend?
Okay, this
It
is.
is 1635 pages.
So you have to solve all. Tell me, did I ask you to solve all? Huh?
Last night I didn't sleep because of 1635 pages. And I was thanking my phone that thank God it didn't open.
It didn't open. Wait for your father to come.
No, I told him that it doesn't open.
It doesn't open.
It has some problem.
Otherwise, you would have done all the pages that
Okay.
night.
So wait.
No, I would have.
This time I'll send it in the group and especially to your father as well. Okay. Now it will open. You people just check. Okay. Over there you will find questions on functions. Good questions on functions. Differentiation is also there. Limits is also there.
So
You'll find.
what is this?
Baron's calculus. Okay. Actually,
So old book.
no, not old book. Okay. Foreign people
First foreign.
use this for.
It's not get rid of.
No. They apply for universities. Okay, they prepare for SAT
From this book.
from this book.
You see, in maths,
These are easy books.
in SAT only there are functions and limits. So maths mainly take up.
Basic.
Yeah.
AB part. Okay, there are actually two parts in calculus. Okay, one is AB part and one is BC part. AB part is
In SAT.
very easy. Very easy. Okay, you won't find those kind of questions in RD Sharma also. Okay, BC part also is very easy. Okay, for us. Okay. So we are just doing the basics of maths. That's why I'm telling you to just solve AB part of calculus. Okay. Understood?
It is very much.
The rest of them I'll give you when I'll give you my assignment. Okay. Over there you will find good questions.
Very good.
Okay, and wait for the test also. Then
Is
the-
it last of this month?
Actually, I think I'll be able to complete this chapter. No, it will take a little bit of time, maybe 2-3 more classes. Okay.
So that's why I told you. End of this month.
Yes, maybe end of this month. Okay. There's a test on basic maths. You people prepare properly. Whole of basic maths. Whatever I did,
How much marks? 80.
around 66 marks. 66 or 70 marks. Okay, it will contain everything: single correct type, multiple correct type, integer type. So prepare properly.
Sir, this subjective.
No, not subjective. Single correct type, multiple correct type,
There will be
Sir,
MCQs.
negative marking is there.
everything, every question has negative marking. Great. Thank you, everyone. Okay, next class.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. So keep practicing. And those who are coming offline, it is mandatory for everyone to come offline and give the test. Okay. Nobody will give online test.
What if I'm very sick?
Huh? Then your test will be postponed. But you have to give it offline. Okay. Thank you and bye everyone. And especially Shandev, you cannot get sick. Okay. Thank you Anish, Adrish, Imon, Trishita.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, in
Thank you,
multiple,
sir.
Thank you, sir.
sir, in multiple correct answers.